What's important to know is that our hormonal system is very tightly regulated. It's by nanogram per deciliter, a tiny amount, and there's a lot of regulatory feedback loops, meaning that if you have too much of something, just like a thermostat, then you turn off the production of some hormones. I think this is when I understood that negative feedback loop, that when you get that xenoestrogen, that artificial estrogen that comes in and binds to your natural estrogen receptors, it messes up that complicated system. The way I like to think about it is like if you have a nice watch, you know, the watch, a Swiss watch, it has minute ways of keeping time. Imagine if you put 2 grains of sand into that machinery, the whole thing gets messed up. So estrogenics, those artificial compounds that's everywhere, goes into that HPG, the hypothalamus, pituitary, gonadal axis, creates negative feedback loop and messes up our hormonal system.
Yeah, and the nanograms, just to like circle back to that, what you mentioned, people need to realize, I mean, that's 10 to the minus 9th grams. That's 0.000000000 grams. I mean, we're talking about a really small quantity having an impact on your health. And so it's easy, I mean, it's a delicate balance.